In this short tutorial, you will learn how to remove the annoying show stickers from your keyboard on your iPhone. Show stickers can sometimes clutter up your keyboard and make it difficult to find the emojis you like. Luckily, there is a simple way to get rid of it. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. Then scroll down again and tap Keyboard. Scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see the stickers option. All you have to do next is toggle off this switch to disable stickers on the emoji keyboard. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.